You went through a photographer's page, you saw all the pictures that he created, all the magic, everything you saw, you like them. Then you DM the photographer and you're asking the photographer, what camera do you use? Like, you want to know the camera he used before you start doing business with him. Huh? See, today I will tell you that the best set of my pictures were shot with Canon 70D and Canon 7D, because then I was gingering, I wanted to create a lot of things. One thing I know is that I am one of those persons that do not allow my camera to tell me what to create. I tell my camera what I want. So no matter how big the camera is, no matter how small is the camera, I can create what I want to create. It doesn't matter where the camera is coming. As long as it has a good dynamic range for me, I can use both the small and the big. So as a customer, I don't think there is any need for you to start asking the photographer, what camera do you use? If the photographer now tell you that I'm using R5, and because I'm using R5, the price is different, will you not start pricing the photographer down? No, let me know. Will you not start pricing the photographer down? So I feel like for the fact that you know that you have seen good pictures, good images in his page, and you want to work with him, go ahead and work with him. Stop asking him which camera he's using. If he start counting camera for you, do you even know cameras? Because some of you just want to like show yourself. You're asking which camera he uses. I don't have words for you. I'll see you in my next video.